Hey everybody, today I want to jump into some AI. Here you'll see I'm showing you the conclusions of a conversation that I had with the Grok AI engine. And the first thing I need to tell you is never listen to AI, and of course you're not supposed to listen to me either. But I want to reveal to you how AI is not really very intelligent at all. These are really more propaganda machines than anything else. They're going to lie to you consistently. However, you can turn it around. You can make them functional tools that will eventually lead to the truth. And you'll see here, I'm actually starting off by showing you the conclusion. This was my discussion on magnesium oil. And as you know, I really don't like any magnesium supplements. There's no need for them. Your own homemade magnesium oil using magnesium chloride, which comes from nature, very easy to harvest it. That is absolutely the best thing, exponentially more powerful than anything. You'll see here that after a long discussion and debate with Grok, it agrees with me completely, using a lot of really nice words, actually. I'm not going to read this to you. You can pause the video and read it on your own. But the final verdict is, of course, I am right on. I know this because for many, many years, I've already been doing the research and I see the effectiveness on myself and with clients, etc. Magnesium oil, every AI engine is going to agree with me completely, but not at the start of the conversation. They will always disagree, trying to push whatever happens to be popular. And then after I rip them apart, they'll come around. Now, I like to have fun with AI. I can be rude to it. I can really debate it aggressively. It will always respond politely. And a lot of times, it has to admit its ignorance and limitations. So just remember, artificial intelligence is not really very intelligent at all, but you can use it as a good tool. And I'm going to share the links so you can go through the whole conversation on your own. So let me just scroll up. You'll see this discussion or debate goes on for quite a while. This is actually a shorter one. You'll see I start off by setting this context. I tell the AI, I want you to imagine you're an expert in allopathic medicine, as well as chemistry, biology, physics. And then as such, we will discuss or debate what is the absolute best way for humans to supplement magnesium intake, right? So, and even though I tell it to imagine it's an expert, it just makes absolute ridiculous mistakes. It doesn't use its expertise in chemistry, biology, or physics. It doesn't actually think. But you'll see as we go through, it spits out some really nice stuff. And then I have to course correct along the way. I have to challenge it along the way. You'll see my statements here will be pretty strong. I'll say magnesium supplements on the market are grossly inferior to making and using your own magnesium oil. And so the artificial intelligence engines, all of them, or I should say none of them actually discovered on their own that magnesium oil is arguably exponentially superior to any other supplement. And if it's truly intelligent, it should be able to come to these conclusions without my prompting. And so again, I just reveal the fallacy of AI and also the power of it. So you can read through all of it on your own. I have the link below to this conversation with Grok and also a conversation with ChatGPT. And then you'll see more reasons and also more guidance. The other really nice thing is that the AI breaks down really very nice guidance, which is my guidance, of course. But they display it in many different ways, quite elegantly, diving really deep into the science when prompted. I believe my conversation with ChatGPT is actually much longer than with Grok. And the reason is because I did ChatGPT first, and then I used that to challenge Grok. So that saved me some time in the conversation with Grok. Anyway, go read on your own and make your own magnesium oil. Watch my other videos. Of course, contact me to discuss. I can give you guidance. Like I do coaching sessions with people, and usually one coaching session is enough to set them on a lifelong journey to wellness and resolve countless issues. It doesn't matter what your problem is. Whatever your health problem is, magnesium oil is going to help you. Contact me to learn more, or just get a hold of my content. Go watch my free videos and articles, etc. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.